Welcome to Inside the Process. Today we're touring one of America's largest dog food production facilities. Let's see how premium pet nutrition is made from scratch.
Every visitor must pass through strict hygiene protocols before entering production zones.
Safety gear is mandatory for everyone in the facility.
Fresh ingredients arrive daily from certified suppliers across the country. Chicken meal is the primary protein source, kept refrigerated during transport. Forklifts transfer ingredients to the inspection area for quality verification. Every batch is tested for moisture content, protein levels, and purity.
Approved ingredients are stored in temperature-controlled zones until production begins.
Digital tracking ensures full traceability from supplier to finished product. Now we enter the heart of production, where ingredients become dog food.
Chicken meal is weighed precisely according to the recipe formulation. Computer systems ensure exact measurements for consistent nutrition in every batch.
Brown rice provides healthy carbohydrates and fiber for digestive health.
Vegetables supply essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants.
All ingredients travel by conveyor to the main blending system. Dry ingredients are blended uniformly for 15 minutes.
Omega-3 rich fish oil and natural chicken broth enhance flavor and nutrition. A precise vitamin and mineral blend ensures complete balanced nutrition.
The finished mixture moves to the extrusion process.
High-temperature extrusion cooks the mixture and shapes the kibble.
Extreme heat and pressure sterilize ingredients while forming kibble shape.
Precision blades cut the extruded strands into consistent kibble sizes. Kibble moves through cooling tunnels, where air circulation removes moisture. Controlled cooling prevents bacteria growth and prepares kibble for coating. A light coating of chicken fat makes the kibble irresistible to dogs. Final drying achieves optimal moisture level for long shelf life.
Quality inspectors check every batch for proper texture and appearance.
Laboratory tests verify moisture, density, and nutrient content meet standards.
Screening removes any pieces outside our strict size specifications. Only perfect kibble continues to the packaging line. Automated systems package kibble into various bag sizes. Each bag features our signature yellow packaging with clear ingredient information. Transcription. Precise volumetric fillers measure exact portions into every bag. Every bag crosses a check weigher to ensure accurate fill weight. Heat sealing creates an airtight closure to lock in freshness. Metal detectors scan every bag to ensure product safety. Batch codes enable complete traceability throughout distribution.
Unique barcodes identify each product for inventory management. Immediate scanning records each bag in our tracking system.
Automated cameras verify print quality and package integrity.
Bags are arranged for secondary packaging into shipping cartons.
Shipping boxes are automatically formed from flat cardboard. 6 bags per carton ensure efficient shipping and handling. Top flaps close, automatically preparing boxes for sealing. Strong packing tape secures each carton for transport. Cartons are weighed to verify all 6 bags are present. Shipping labels include product details and batch information. Shipping barcodes enable tracking through distribution networks. Automated systems build stable pallets for warehouse storage.
The first layer establishes a foundation for the entire pallet. Alternating patterns create structural stability during transport.
Each pallet holds 40 cartons, totaling 240 bags.
Stretch wrap stabilizes loads and protects cartons from dust and moisture.
Completed pallets are ready for warehouse storage or immediate shipping. Forklifts transport finished pallets to the distribution warehouse. Operators ensure safe handling of valuable finished products. Our warehouse stores thousands of pallets in optimal conditions. Digital systems track exact location of every pallet. Orders are processed and routed for picking and loading. Each pallet is scanned when retrieved to update inventory. Pallets are staged by order at the shipping dock. Shipping documents accompany every order for tracking and delivery. Temperature-controlled trucks maintain product quality during transit. Interior temperature is verified before loading begins.
Loading proceeds systematically to maximize trailer space.
Multiple forklifts speed up the loading process. Securing straps prevent load movement during highway transport.
Full capacity loads optimize shipping efficiency and reduce costs.
Security seals protect shipments from tampering during transit. Drivers receive detailed route and delivery instructions.
Trucks depart daily, delivering fresh dog food across America. Regional warehouses receive shipments for retail distribution.
Products are inspected and entered into retail inventory systems.
Finally, premium dog food reaches pet owners nationwide.
Pet stores stock Paw Prime alongside other premium brands for customer choice.
Shoppers carefully read nutrition labels to choose best food for their dogs.
The 30-pound size offers great value for larger dogs.
Barcode scanning ensures quick checkout and accurate inventory tracking.
Customers transport their purchase home to their waiting pets.
Once home, owners store the bag in a convenient feeding location.
The easy open seal makes accessing food simple for daily feeding.
Measuring cups ensure proper portion control for your dog's health. Fresh kibble is served in clean bowls for each meal.
Dogs love the taste, and owners trust the quality nutrition.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more factory process videos.